And I think this is a whole approach here, which is like you can go do perfect static analysis, try to find every single bug, do this really expensive, complex, deep analysis, which certainly is valuable, but 90% of your bugs, it's like, oh, I forgot to set the authentication required decorator. It's not really like a novel vulnerability, right? It's the OWASP top 10, it's SQL injection, cross-site scripting. Like we know how to prevent these. It's just developers make mistakes, and some languages and frameworks are more secure by default than others. But we figured if we could just make it really easy to write. I know kind of we're sitting at a bar together and you're complaining, you're like, oh, I just found a security vulnerability. Someone did this, they forgot to set the initialization vector or whatever. Like, how would we sketch that on a napkin? And then as close to that as possible, can we make that the Semgrep rule? And now we're trying to go even a step further. I mean, I'm sure talk more about this later, but using generative AI to say well, let's force people, security folks are all very busy, to learn our language, even as simple as it is. Maybe you can just give us an English description of what you're trying to find and a couple examples, maybe examples of things you're trying to match, things you're not trying to match. Let's see if we can come up with a rule that's either correct or 90% of the way there. You can, have a starting point. So I'm glad to know that our kind of core hypothesis of letting developers and security engineers customize things, it continues to resonate.